In this lesson, we will study fungus-like protists. They are placed in fungal-like protist category because they show some similarities with fungi, being non-photosynthetic, and their bodies are made up of thread-like structure called hyphae. They are not placed in kingdom fungi because they have few dissimilarities with fungi too. These protists have centrioles, while these centrioles are absent in fungi, and they have cellulose as a major cell wall component, while in fungal cell they have chitin as their cell wall material. We divide the fungus-like protists into two groups. Number one is slime molds or Myxomycota. Number two is water molds or Mycota. We will first study the slime molds or Myxomycota. Actually, they have a Plasmodial stage, which is a feeding stage, और इसी stage की वजह से इसको slime molds का नाम दिया गया. Actually, जो Plasmodial stage है वो एक thick liquid-like substance है, and it is multinucleate cytoplasmic structure, and ये डैम्प एरियाज पे या लीफ लिटर पे ग्रो करता है और वहाँ पर एक शीट सी बना देता है, और जैसे जैसे ये मूव करता जाता है इट इंजेस्ट बैक्टीरिया, यीस्ट और डेड ऑर्गेनिक मैटर जो इसके रास्ते में आता है या जो इट कैन फाइंड. And during unfavorable conditions, they are converted to sporangia, which is a spore-bearing structure, जिसकी एक stalk भी होती है. And then when the favorable conditions are again attained, it undergoes the plasmodial stage. It is important to note here that one of the plasmodial slime mold, Physarum polycephalum, is used as model organism to study various cellular processes like cytoplasmic streaming or functions of cytoskeleton. This figure better explains the plasmodial slime molds. You can see here that we have mature plasmodium, जो multinucleate structure है, and it is diploid. जब unfavorable conditions आती हैं तो it forms sporangia. And then we have after a certain time it undergoes meiosis and form spores, and spores may be amoeboid cells or they may be flagellated cells, and then these cells fuse, and after the process of fertilization they form zygote, and then subsequently form young plasmodium, and finally the mature plasmodium is formed, which is the feeding stage, and in this way the cycle continues. Then we have another category which is called as water molds or omycetes. They show close relations with the fungi because they have because of their structure, but they have dissimilarities with the fungi too, as their cell wall is made up of cellulose. In addition, their hyphae are aseptate, meaning thereby in the hyphae their nucleus are spread like this, while in other fungi they have septate hyphae like this, मतलब उनमें cross folds होती हैं, but in omycetes or water molds they don't have these cross folds. So they are famous because of the Irish famine we know. In 19th century, these slime molds, due to the cooler summers, affected the potato crop, और उसकी वजह से famine आ गया, and the disease is called late blight of potato, and the causal agent is Phytophthora infestans. So you can see here the condition of the potato, and इस Irish famine की वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों की death cause हुई, and it is very famous for this disease. So you can see here how the Phytophthora infestans growing in diseased potato leaf. This is actually the sporangium of Phytophthora, and then sporangiophores, and the hyphae of Phytophthora infestans. ये penetrate करता है to the leaf cells through the lower epidermis and attacks the host by getting inside the host cells.